In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix an iPhone that does not ring on incoming calls. First, launch your settings, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. If your phone is still not ringing, scroll down and navigate to the option Sound Haptics. Turn your ringtone and alerts volume all the way up and make sure your ringtone is actually set to a sound, not set to none. To check that, launch the option ringtone. From the list of options, select any of it. Next up, head back. Go back to the main page of settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option phone. Under that, you're gonna find the option announce calls. Click on that and set it to always. If it's set to never, your phone won't verbally announce calls, making it seem like it's not ringing. Next up, if you're using eSIM, tap your carrier such as AT&T, then toggle the eSIM off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Wait for the signal dot to disappear and reappear. This confirms your eSIM has been refreshed. If the issue continues, head over to the option focus. Make sure you haven't enabled do not disturb mode. These modes silence incoming calls entirely. Lastly, give fresh restart to your device, and that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.